Let's be honest.
Northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, east central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Blairstown, or 12 miles west of Newton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees,
KZZ31.
power lines is possible. Locations impacted include
Dover, Mount Arlington, Blairstown, Mount Arlington, Franklin,
Branchville, Andover, North Brookfield, Lake Mohawk, Wary Lake, Greenville, Millbrook, 5 Points, and Allentown.
Millbrook,
This includes Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 21 and 25, and between mile markers 31 and 35. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. You are listening to Notice All Hazards Radio, station KWO35 in New York City. This broadcast...
Oh, another one? Bro! What the heck? And right after that.
Northwestern New Jersey.
Bro, what the heck? I guess I'll count. Dude, what the heck? Oh my god. It was not a, it's not a double header, but I guess I'll count it as a double header. Bro, what the heck? That's crazy.
40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and
What
any
the
size hail.
hell? That's
Source,
insane.
radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is
God
possible.
damn.
Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem,
Allentown. It just said Allentown.
Northampton, Wilson, Hellertown, Nazareth, Bath,
Yeah, it said
Belvedere,
Allentown.
Harmony, Alpha, Ferndale, Belfast, Frenchtown, West Easton, Milford, Canterbury, and Bloomsbury. This includes the following highways: Northeast
God
extension
damn.
between mile markers 47 and 61. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 50 and 76.
God damn.
Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior
Dude,
room on the
what
lowest
the
floor
heck?
of a building.
Imagine it's a triple header.
Large hail and damage.
Frequent cloudy balance.
Pennsylvania between mile markers 50 and 76. Interstate
Remember, if you can hear
Bro, what the heck?
to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is
Torrential
occurring with this
rainfall.
storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Dude, what the heck?
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. For today, southwest winds 5 to 10.
Bro, what the heck? Dude, this is literally already chaos.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m.
Jesus Lord. What the heck? It just cut off. Very weird.
Diminishing to 10 to
Bro, what the hell?